You finished. Look who's there. What do you say? Good morning, Fabs. What we doing?
We're going to school.
Yeah, we're getting ready to go to school. And we're gonna have a good day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's the weekend.
And then it's the weekend soon. But the week is just about to start, so you have a little wait.
So it's the last week of weekend.
What? It's the last week of weekend?
Yeah.
There's no such thing as the last week of weekend. That doesn't make any sense.
And that's the week.
No, it doesn't, silly.
Yes, it makes sense.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Yes, it doesn't make sense.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay. But not. You're funny. Alright, let's go get ready for school. Come on. We don't want to be late. Let's go. Run along to the bathroom. We're going to brush teeth. Go, 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 go. And look who is still home. Say morning.
Morning.
Why are you still home?
Because I have to hurry.
Okay, Mama, I'll give you some medicine before, some lemon and honey before we go, okay? Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Alright, so we're gonna do what now?
We're gonna wipe my nose.
We're gonna brush teeth.
No.
What?
My nose.
Wipe your nose.
That gives mutua.
Let me see nose. No, nose is fine today. Ooh, a monster is in it. Let me see. Let me see in this nose. Come, let me see. Yeah. Ah, monster. Next one. Next one. Come, brush teeth. Yes, my love.
I love you.
The Papa kisses. What?
Not here.
Yeah, that's why he's kissing me on the cheek.
Mouah. Tu es gentil à l'école aujourd'hui, ok?
Okay.
Câlin à papa. Mouah.
Say, Papa, bye-bye.
Au revoir.
for my Tyler. Open. One more. Open wide. Ah. Okay. Good job.
And don't say hi, please.
You want?
They don't say hi, please.
Who don't say hi?
Me.
You didn't say hi?
No.
Of course you did.
They don't say bye-bye.
Oh, you didn't say bye-bye.
Yeah.
Because it's time to go now. Come on. Jacket.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you guys later when I get back home.
I get it when I get back home. Why is covered this green thing?
Hmm?
Why is covered this green thing?
So they can see you properly. Oh, Mama don't have any shoes on. Mama's funny.
Silly mama.
Silly Mama. Flashlight on. Ready? Yeah, it's almost 7 weeks to go. Come on. Say bye, please. Say dear, tell them bye.
Bye.
I am back from dropping Tyler at school and I'm multitasking. I am trying to get some breakfast real quick because I feel like I'm gonna puke, so I know I'm hungry. I need to get something hot, so I'm gonna make me some tea. Make me my favorite tea that I love to have in the mornings, which is Tetley. Are you guys a tea person or are you guys a juice person? Babe is a juice person. It's either apple juice or orange juice for him. But me and Tyler, we definitely have to have our tea in the mornings. Let me know down below if you're a tea person or you're a juice person for morning breakfast. But I definitely have to have my tea. I'm sure most Jamaicans gonna say that they're a tea person. So I think it's a Jamaican in me that can't do without my tea. And my tea have to be scorching hot for me to drink it. They think I'm crazy. But if my tea is not burning me up, I don't want it. I also think I'm like that ever since I was a baby. My mom told me that when I was a baby, if my bottle is not making me go, I don't normally drink it. So I guess it's in me ever since I was a baby to drink hot tea, and my food have to be hot for me to eat it. Unless I'm out and I don't have a choice, or I'm somewhere where I don't have a choice, I'll eat it the way it is. But once I'm home and in my comfort zone, my food must be hot. So if you invite me to your house and you're giving me food, make sure it's hot, or else this girl won't be happy. Okay. Anyway, I'm making green pressed plantains and eggs for breakfast this morning. And I guess baby girl is happy because she's jumping. She's stiffing me out as usual. You guys, look who's home. What is that?
Pirouette.
Who is Pirouette?
It's the one that I got from school.
Right, so at Tyler school, they have this little mascot and he gets to carry it home. I'm gonna read his book and see how many days he's gonna have it for. And wherever he, yeah?
It's about me, but he has for
Okay, I'm gonna look at it. Wait. I'm gonna read the book. Hold on, hold on. Wherever he takes the mascot, he has to take pictures, print the pictures, and put them in this book that he have, and write something about it and take it back to school in a few days. So he's pretty excited that it's his turn. Yeah.
I just showed you. This is Pirouette.
That's Tyler's new friend. What's his name?
Pirouette.
Pirouette. And you have to carry him everywhere and take pictures with him, doing everything with him. It's his responsibility for the next 10 days, right?
Yes.
You're excited to carry Pirouette around?
Yes.
Yes. You had a good day at school?
Yeah.
Tell Faves about your day at school today.
Eat and that's it.
You eat and what?
And the play in the class and dance in the cour.
Wow, and what else?
I don't know the others.
You miss Mama today or no?
Yes.
You miss Mama? Can I have a big kiss? Mwah. You guys, I'm not feeling 100. So I've been sleeping, laying down all day today. It took me twice the amount of time to walk back from teleschool that it would normally take me. But yeah, I'm back and I'm gonna try to whip up some dinner for Thai. Nothing too much. I don't really have to do any big cooking today, because I cooked yesterday, so there's rice and peas. I just need to figure out the protein. But yeah, I'm here. Here's what we're gonna do.
We go back to the meal.
Yeah, but first let's show them this. You guys, I already went ahead and opened this one a few days ago, so I'm just gonna show you guys what it is. It's a beautiful set that came from our good friend Shanique, and it's like a pajama really. So that's the top. It have more than one tops. It's an open front top, so cute, really nice pajama, and have this pink pants to go with whichever one, and then it have this to go with another top. It have some nice washcloth in there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's also come with a headband.
5. No, it's not headband. 6, 7. So that's 7 washcloth it came with. It came with a what is this? Is this a mitten or shoes? I think this is a shoes. It's a sock shoes going on here. I think this is the shoes for sure, because it have the bottom on it, and then it have the mitten to match. So cute. It come with one hat, which is this hat here, and then it come with 2 bibs to match the 2 pajama tops. So thanks, Sean. I really love that set. Alright, this is another one, another mail, and this mail is coming from a subscriber, Jamaican, that lives in the USA. She's always reaching out to me via Facebook, and she watches all our vlogs. Her name is Annie, and Annie had the cutest idea to send us something. She wanted to send us something, but there was nothing left on the registry. I think there's just one item left on the registry if it's not already purchased, because somebody already reached out to me. There's a person didn't purchase it. It's still there, but we won't be adding anything. However, we do not have a PO box. So if you would still like to send us something, which I still see persons reaching out to us wanting to send us something, find it on Amazon UK, tell me what it is, and I'll add it to the registry for you right away, so you can get to purchase it before somebody go and snatch it. Because when we put things up, they go really fast, and I decided that we've been so blessed that I'm not gonna add anything else to the registry. Why are you showing things in your mouth? Thieves don't want to see it down in your stomach. Oh, they see all the way down in your stomach. So we're not gonna add anything else to the registry, but like I said, if you still want to send us something, find what it is, let me know, and I'll add it. That's the same thing Annie did. She wanted to send us something, but there was nothing else remaining on the registry, and she found 3 items, and one I really love, and it came, and this is a christening dress for baby girl, because she will be christened for sure. And I have in my head exactly how it's gonna be done and where it's gonna be done and all that, but you guys is on the journey, so you guys will see. And it's the cutest little christening dress. Look at this, you guys. This is really a princess outfit. It's the cutest christening dress. It's actually a 3-piece.
What's this?
I soon tell you what it is. So this is the dress. So cute. Look at that beading and the pattern on the front.
What's this?
So adorable. Thank you, Annie. I'm in love with that.
What's this?
I soon tell you what it is. And then it comes with this little vest over piece, which is like a little veil like.
What's this?
And then this is a hat for baby sister. Come, let me put it on you. He loves to put on her hats. And this goes under here like that. So that's baby sister hat. She's gonna be christened in, okay? Alright, let it go. So that's from Annie. Thank you, Annie. She will be definitely be christening in this dress. I'm in love with it. I'm gonna wash it. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna hand wash it nicely and put it up, so that way when she's ready to be christened, we'll have it. Okay, the last package came today, so let's see what it is. Wait, let me finish open it so you can take it off, sir. Another box. I think somebody's going to be happy right now. You think you're gonna be happy? You have no idea what this is, but guess what? It is not for baby sister. Guess who is it for? It's for Tyler. And guess who is it from? No. No. Auntie Sha. Yeah, it's from Auntie Shanique for Tyler. Dun, dun, dun. It looks like a book, but it's an album. It's a dinosaur album. You remember baby sister got an album last week?
Yeah.
And I told you it's gonna put all her pictures in it from when she was a baby?
Yeah.
So this one is to put all your pictures in it. Look. Look. How cool. We're gonna put pictures in here and write about it.
Yeah.
What do you say to Auntie Shanique?
Thank you, Auntie Shanique, for my album.
Right. So Shanique buy Tyler his first album, because he didn't have any, and she buy baby girl her first album. How cool. And she buy the perfect album. You like, and look at your shirt. What shirt is he wearing?
Dinosaur.
Wow.
This one.
Alright, you guys, so that's the unboxing for today from the mail. Thanks Shanique and thanks Annie Chin. Appreciate all the love that you guys have continued to send our way. Blessing in abundance. Love you guys. I'm gonna say prayers now and go to bed, okay?
Mama, Papa, good God, this me, look me, I give it to God, good chick, Amen.
Amen.
This is note, this house, for Mama, Papa, baby sister, and Tanya, for all my family, Amen.
Amen. What? You're so funny. Mwah. I love you. I love you.
I love you, Mama.
You ready to go to bed?
I love you too.
I love you too, Tyler. You're gonna sleep with Pirouette tonight? Alright, tell Papa to take a picture with you and Pirouette in bed.
Papa, sit down for the what does it
Tu as dit la prière?
Come tell Faves night. Stop, Papa! Oh, we haven't the notification shout out in a long while, right, Ty?
No.
Alright, let's do notification shout out. Say notification shout out goes to. Say it.
Notification goes to
Christelle Oliver.
Krista Oliver
And
and
Betty Brown.
Betty
So
Brown.
thanks for watching, everyone.
The watching
Tell them night night. What you want to mean the camera? Tell them night night.
Night night.
See you guys. They're not seeing you.
It's a bubble.
Alright, run along to bed. What kind of little socks this Papa put on his? Gonna fall off.
Did you say it's fire? Allez, come!
Been doing bedtime with time while I'm answering some messages.
Oh.
Babe gets me ready for bed.
Allez, viens! T'as fait bisous et hug à maman?
Tu déjà fait? I love you. Bye. See you tomorrow for breakfast. What's for breakfast in the morning? Alright, bye. With butter everywhere. Alright, bye bye.
Yes, you are tired.
Here am I ready to complain.
Yes,
No, I'm
again.
not complaining. I'm just giving you guys updates. It's not complaining at all. I am thankful. I am everything except complaining. I'm just letting you guys know what's up. My evening just went left, and I vomit my life out just in time when babe get home to take care of me and take care of Tyler. I was struggling, but then getting all that out, I kind of feel a little better since then, and I got a little something to eat, and babe been holding down things for me, so I'm a little bit better now. So we're gonna watch some movie, and then I'm gonna head to bed. So the boss is home. What you have to say for yourself? You haven't talked to the peeps all day, honey. You haven't talked to the faves all day.
Yeah, because I was a busy man today. No.
They glimpse you this morning before you leave home.
Yeah, I think you. Oh, yeah, because this
Yeah.
morning I was rushing and I was late, and yeah, so I come back almost at 8 p.m. Come back almost, finish work. Was a good day. I had to go to different shops, so and come back home almost 8 p.m. Was a long day, but oh, after 9:30 now, trying to relax a bit and getting ready tomorrow for next day. So yeah, hope you have a good day. Summer is coming.
Outside it's hot. Outside
It
is hot.
feels good. So yeah, this week gonna be interesting. And anything you have to say?
No, we're just gonna end it tonight. Tell her give notification shout out. We won't give any
Expression.
expression.
Alright, so if you like this video,
Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam. We love you guys. And of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.